You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. After a long weekend in the United States, investors began to take profits on purchase transactions, thereby putting pressure on key stock indexes. This is most likely due to expectations of the publication of inflation data in the United States, which may reduce the likelihood of monetary policy easing by the Federal Reserve in September. Recall that the relevant experts do not expect a significant decrease in the value of the price index of personal consumption expenditures. Thus, there will be no reason to lower the key interest rate, which is a strong bearish fundamental factor for the stock market and other risky assets. Most likely, this is the reason why oil returned to the red zone, even despite the unexpectedly strong decrease in oil reserves in the United States. Recall that yesterday the American Petroleum Institute published a report according to which black gold reserves decreased by almost 6.5 million barrels, with a projected decrease of 1.9 million barrels. But if the U.S. Department of Energy confirms such a strong reduction in reserves, then buyers of the American grade of oil can return to the market. At the same time, we do not forget about the upcoming OPEC Plus meeting, which is scheduled for this weekend. Also pay attention to gold, which, after aggressive sales, is consolidating in a fairly narrow sidewall. This indicates the uncertainty that may be associated with the expectation of an important event. We are talking about the upcoming release of inflation data. After all, if it does not start to decline, the Fed is unlikely to ease monetary policy. Therefore, the yield on U.S. government bonds will remain high for a long time. This is a bearish scenario for the precious metal, which will need a strong bullish fundamental factor to develop another wave of growth. The cryptocurrency market does not stand out much from the rest of the financial market sectors. The decrease in trading volatility and, most importantly, the weakness of buyers, despite the appearance of a strong internal bullish fundamental factor, is a bad signal for buyers. After all, an unexpected increase in inflation in the United States can significantly reduce interest in risk, thereby increasing pressure on the cryptocurrency market. But buyers of Ether and Bitcoin continue to hold the quotes of these coins above strong technical support levels, thereby saving hope for growth. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.